Listen, what if I told you that you could build serious muscle without ever touching a dumbbell? No gym membership, no expensive equipment, just you, your body, and a technique that elite athletes have been using for decades. I'm talking about isometric training, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it to transform your physique. But here's the thing. Most people get this completely wrong. They think it's just about holding a plank. That's like saying running is just about putting one foot in front of the other. There's a science to this, and I'm about to break it down for you step by step. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because I'm dropping science-backed fitness tips like this every single week. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. So let me ask you something. Have you ever pushed against a wall as hard as you could? Your muscles were working, right? They were burning, but nothing moved. That's the magic of isometrics. See, here's what most people don't understand about muscle growth. Your muscles don't actually know the difference between pushing against a barbell or pushing against an immovable object. All they know is tension. And isometric exercises create maximum tension. When you hold a position under load, your muscle fibers are contracting with incredible force. Blood flow gets restricted, metabolic stress builds up, and your body responds the same way it would to lifting weights, by building muscle. Studies show that isometric training can increase muscle strength by up to 25% in just 6 weeks. Bruce Lee used isometrics. Rock climbers rely on them, and now you're going to master them too. The best part? You can do these anywhere. Your living room, your office, even in a hotel room when you're traveling. All right, let's get into the meat of this. I'm going to give you 5 isometric exercises that will build muscle from head to toe. Exercise number 1, the Isometric Push-Up Hold. Get into a push-up position, but lower yourself halfway down. Now hold it there. Your chest should be about 6 inches off the ground. Feel that burn? That's every muscle fiber in your chest, shoulders, and triceps firing at once. Hold this for 30 to 45 seconds. That's 1 set. You want 3 to 4 sets. Exercise number 2, the wall sit. This one's a leg destroyer. Put your back against a wall and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your core tight. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. Your quads are going to be screaming, but that means it's working. Exercise number 3, the hollow body hold. Lie flat on your back. Press your lower back into the floor. Now, lift your shoulders and legs off the ground, just a few inches. Point your toes. Reach your arms overhead. Your body should look like a banana. This absolutely obliterates your core. Hold for 30 to 40 seconds. Exercise number 4, the Glute Bridge Hold. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. This builds your glutes and hamstrings like crazy. Exercise number 5, the Isometric Row. Find a door frame or sturdy post. Grab it with both hands and lean back, arms straight. Now, pull yourself forward, but don't let your hands move. It's like you're trying to pull the door frame toward you. Hold that tension for 30 to 45 seconds. Your back muscles will be on fire. If you're getting value from this, do me a favor, smash that like button. It helps this video reach more people who need to see it. And drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're going to try first. Now, here's how you put this all together into a routine that actually works. You want to do these exercises 3 to 4 times per week.
Not every day. Your muscles need recovery time to grow. Start with 3 sets of each exercise. Hold each position for 30 seconds when you're beginning. As you get stronger, work up to 60 seconds per hold. Here's a pro tip that most people don't know. The angle matters. For maximum muscle activation, hold the position at the point where the exercise feels hardest. For push-ups, that's usually about halfway down. For squats, it's at the bottom. And breathing. This is crucial. Don't hold your breath. Breathe slowly and steadily through your nose. Holding your breath spikes your blood pressure and makes you fatigue faster. Another secret, combine isometrics with regular movement. Do 10 regular push-ups, then hold 1 isometric push-up for 30 seconds. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds. You can also increase intensity by changing your body position. Elevate your feet during that push-up hold. Hold your wall sit on one leg. These variations keep your muscles adapting and growing. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to notice something. Your muscles will feel harder, more defined, you'll have better posture, and you'll be stronger in everyday activities. Listen, I've been coaching people for years, and I've seen isometrics transform physiques that plateaued with traditional training. One of my clients built visible ab definition in 8 weeks using just hollow body holds and planks. Another added noticeable size to his chest without ever doing a bench press. But here's the truth. This only works if you're consistent. You can't do this once and expect miracles. You need to show up, put in the work, and trust the process. The beauty of isometrics is that there's no excuse. No gym? No problem. No time? These workouts take 15 minutes. Traveling? Do them in your hotel room. Your body is the most sophisticated piece of equipment you'll ever own. And isometric training is one of the most effective ways to unlock its potential. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pick 3 of these exercises, set a timer on your phone, and do your first isometric workout today, right after you finish this video. Then come back and tell me how it went in the comments. I read every single one, and I'll personally answer your questions. And if you want more content like this, real, science-backed fitness advice without the BS, subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Remember, building muscle doesn't require fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships. It requires knowledge, effort, and consistency. And now you have the knowledge. So get out there and put in the work. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Now go build that strength.